What is up, everybody? So we're gonna do a flyover of the Bradford area. Bradford is north of the turnpike. It comes right off of Morse Boulevard. It's just to the east of Morse Boulevard, between 44 and the turnpike, just south of Chitty Chatty. So it's one of the newer areas. It's the one that they were building right before Hawkins, and they're right across the road. More splits them from each other, so you'll get to see that. And then there's a couple housing prices that I throw in here just to show you the top and the bottom of what's for sale right now. I think the lowest is right around 170 and the top's right around 550 or something like that. But different models, obviously. You have the villa, and then you have a 3.2, which is almost 550, or it might be a little bit over. Anyway, the prices are in the video. We'll be walking through some of these houses. When they do open houses, I'll be walking through and getting you some good videos of those to add into the drone videos coming up soon. And I have something seriously cool planned for you this weekend. So weather permitting, I'm going to have a cool video this weekend and get to show you some of the really, some of the things that you actually are looking forward to in the villages. Fingers crossed for the weather. Let's hold out for that one. And I hope you enjoy this video. As always, check out the website, villagesvideo.com, and Facebook page if you haven't. And let's go take a look. Alright, so we are back in the Bradford area. I wanted to show you a few specific things about this area other than that guy mowing his lawn right there. They had a few open houses in here while I was doing this drone video. So the plan is I'm going to walk through some of these open houses and show you what they have to offer. I also wanted to show you the high end of Bradford and the lower end, and I just mean price range, obviously, which are going to be the different kind of models of the house. So this one coming up is an Emmett. It is $557,000. This is the highest one that I can find right now that's for sale out there. I'm sure there could be some others, but this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $557,000 house. And then one of the other ones is going to be a villa, is going to be on the other side. So all these houses that are on the right are kind of like shotgun houses, which is why I want to walk through them and do a little bit of a video walkthrough for you coming up in some of these future videos, and I'll add them into the drone videos so you'll actually know what I'm talking about. I was going to walk through one of these houses, but the realtor was actually closing up the open house, so I didn't get an opportunity. So that's Morse Boulevard on the right side. We're headed south toward the Florida Turnpike right now. On the opposite side of the road from Bradford, over there on the right, you can see the Aviary Recreation Center, which they are moving right along on. They're almost done. So we're headed south. That is Morse Boulevard, like I said. And this area on the left, all the way up until the trees, is Bradford. On the other side of those trees is St. Catherine. And then if we jump across Morse Boulevard to the right is Hawkins. That's where Hawkins starts. And actually right here on the right, where they're building those houses, is Hawkins also. So down here you're going to see right in front of us is an area where they have all the villas. And this is where you're going to see the least expensive villa, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Utopia model. This is the Bradford, one of the Bradford entrances right here. And then this third yellow house in is that Utopia model. It's $168,000. It's actually for sale right now. So I thought it was kind of interesting. to see the different price ranges. Obviously, there's a bunch of houses for sale in this area. It's not even close to being sold out yet. There's a bunch of houses that are in the middle, in between all of those prices. I thought $168,000 for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath is actually a pretty good deal. I've been inside some of those villas before, patio and courtyard villas. They're actually really nice if it's just a couple and you're not going to be expecting a lot of guests or even a single person moving in there. Those areas are nice. Bradford's really great because you have Chitty Chatty just to the north, and then you can hop right over the bridge and go to Brownwood Square, or you can head south and go to the Fenny Recreation Center, which has the grill and all that kind of stuff. It's been really interesting to see Bradford come together from the beginning when we started doing these videos. I just started doing the videos in May, I want to say, and this area popped up almost overnight. It's insane. So as they build out the outside of the area to the Chitty Chatty Preserve, I'll be interested to see what those houses are going to look like, and the ones to the south toward St. Catherine as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.